Tired of manually pulling real estate comps from Redfin and spending hours drowning in spreadsheets? Today, we're ditching the data drudgery and diving into how to automatically pull Redfin data directly into Podio for lightning-fast real estate comparable analysis. First, you'll need a way to access Redfin data programmatically. While Redfin doesn't offer a direct public API, explore third-party services like Estated API or Redfin Data Scraper. These services act as connectors, legally extracting the data we need. Next, set up your Podio app. Create fields that mirror the Redfin data points you want to capture: address, price, square footage, beds, baths, and so on. This structured setup is crucial for seamless data integration. Now, the magic happens using an integration platform like Zapier or Make, formerly Integromat. Connect your chosen Redfin data service to your Podio app. Configure the workflow to automatically pull data from Redfin based on specific triggers, like a new property address or specific criteria. Map the data fields. Ensure that the data extracted from Redfin is correctly mapped to the corresponding fields within your Podio app. This ensures that the right information lands in the right place, giving you accurate and easily comparable comps. Finally, test and refine your integration. Make sure the data flows smoothly and accurately. Now, you can leverage up-to-date market information right inside Podio, streamlining your valuation process and making smarter investment decisions. Get ready to supercharge your real estate analysis.